Subject Science, Class 8, Chapter 6, Combustion and Flames. Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about combustion and flame. Now maybe you are thinking, what is the meaning of combustion? Maybe this word is new for you. So, the meaning of combustion is burning, and we burn, if you know very well, when we burn something that will release flame. So let us start today's chapter. Introduction. All fuels release heat on burning and differ in efficiency. But how does burning start? What happens to the wax when a candle is burned? What happens to the natural gas or kerosene when it is burned? What is combustion? The term burning is commonly used when a substance catches fire, whereas the term combustion is used when a substance burns in the presence of air and undergoes a chemical reaction to produce heat and light. Although burning is another word for combustion. Supporter of combustion, or we can say what are the supporter for burning. If we burn something, so there are some supporter, there are some source of energy. So that is called the supporter of combustion. A substance which help in the combustion of a combustible material is called supporter of combustion. In many homes, especially in villages, chula, sigri, kerosene wick stove and kerosene pressure stove are used for the combustion of fuels to cook food. Types of combustion. Slow combustion. When a combustible material burns at a moderate rate, it is called slow combustion. Means when something burns slowly, means they slowly when burn something, that is called slow combustion. During slow combustion, there is no sufficient supply of air. Thus combustion is never complete, and as a result, smoke and harmful gases are formed. So children, we can say slow combustion is very harmful for us, for animals or for plants also, because when something will burn slowly, then it will release harmful gases that are very harmful for human beings, for animals and also for plants. Rapid combustion, or we can say fast burning or fast combustion. When a substance burns as soon as it is ignited, producing large amount of heat and light, it is said to undergo rapid combustion. For example, burning of cooking gas in a gas stove, burning of paper and kerosene oil. So these are the example of the rapid combustion or fast burning or rapid burning. Spontaneous combustion. Combustion of a substance on its own without being ignited is called spontaneous combustion. It is occurs because the ignition temperature of such substance is lower than room temperature. Firefighting. Combustion takes place only if there is a combustible material, continuous supply of air, temperature of combustible material is higher than its ignition temperature. We can say when there is continuously supply of air, when there is combustible material, so that time this combustion or burning takes place. Flame. A reason of burning gases is called flame. It is understandable that LPG is a gas. LPG, you know very well children, LPG we use at home for preparing food. So LPG's full form is liquid petroleum gas, which is used at home. Therefore, the reason in which it burns constitutes a flame. However, wax is a solid. Answer the following question. Burning of fossil fuels causes pollution and other harmful substances. Explain. The combustion of fossils produces carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, smoke and dust particles, which produce breathing problems and acid rain. Question number 2. Explain harmful effects of burning fuels. A pollutant is a substance that harms the environment. The burning of fuels can produce many pollutants like carbon dioxide, the greenhouse effect, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, fly ash, etc. Question number 3. Describe in detail about global warming. The greenhouse effect is referred as global warming. The earth is surrounded by its atmosphere, a mixture of gases. Heat from the sun passes through these to warm up the earth. These gases are known as greenhouse gases. They let the heat from the sun in but do not let heat back out again. This is similar to what happens in a greenhouse. Thank you, my dear children. Have a good day. God bless you all.